Hi everybody! Today is January 1st, 2012, and I cannot believe that it's 2012 already. I feel like 2011 went by so quickly. But I hope you all had a wonderful new year, and I hope you have many things to look forward to for the year. So I have several things I want to talk about, and the first thing I'd like to say is thank you so much for participating in my survey for my statistics class. I said I would report the results, and basically the results just stated, or they prove that people who watch videos the most are those that have MS the most severe. And I think there were over 100 people that took the survey, and there were, I think, less than 10 that said they did not feel positive after watching one of my videos. So I felt so good about that. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I was really happy. So those are the basic results. I'm not going to get into the statistics because that class gave me a tremendous amount of anxiety, and I'm happy that I passed, it's over, and I can move on. So thank you again so much for taking the survey. And I also would like to talk about a website that I think can be really, really helpful for lots of people. And it's called MS Active Source. And I learned about this website. It's, well, the company that has developed this website is Biogen IDEC, and they make Tysabri and Avonex. And I learned about this website, and it's wonderful. There are so many different resources for everybody that has MS. And I wanted to say one thing really quickly. The reason why I love Biogen IDEC is because they make Tysabri, which has helped me tremendously. I've been on Copaxone and Betaseron, and those drugs did not work very well for me. But Tysabri, I've been on it for 4.5 years, and there has been no progression. There are no relapses, no nothing since I started taking it. So that's why I'm really fond of the medication and the company. And a lot of people who work for Biogen IDEC also have multiple sclerosis. So when I say that they really care about the patients, I mean it, because they're patients too. They have MS too, and they're in it with us. So that's what I mean. It's really endearing to me. And when I went to the conference, the first person who I saw, I was walking out of the elevator, and I saw Vern Beachy. And I was like, oh my God! I jumped out and I gave him a hug, and I met his wife Julie. It was wonderful. It was so great to see Vern and all of my friends who I love so much. I love you all. I had a wonderful time because we're all in it together, and I think that we're all really positive, and I truly believe that staying positive is key. So, on that note, I would like to tell you about a website that Biogen created, Biogen IDEC has done, and it's called MS Active Source, and I'll have a link in the video. And on the website it says, MS Active Source is a resource dedicated to helping people with multiple sclerosis live better lives. Whenever you need to find information about MS symptoms, diagnosis, or treatment, you can find it here. You'll find lifestyle tips and tools too. Get help staying healthy with MS diet and exercise, and MS support and community will connect you to others with experience living well with multiple sclerosis. And there are so many things on the website. I can't really go through it all in this video, but there are a couple things that really stood out to me, and I wanted to tell you about them. So one of the links on there is called MS Active Voices, and it's pretty much like Match.com. And when I heard that, I started laughing, because it's true. What you do is you can find people that are just like you, and you can connect with them through this website. And I think that's brilliant. I thought it was a really good idea. And then another link they have is Active Insight, and that's live chats, and that's kind of like Facebook, where you can see people and connect with them through the website. And they also have one called Active Wellness, and you can see videos, you can get information about ways to stay healthy, and there are just so many amazing things that are on this website. And forgive me, but there's another link I know that helps with, let me see if I have it in my notes. It helps with finances too. So go to the website, because it's really good for everybody with MS. You can find help on it, and I just think that it's a wonderful thing. And there's also a phone number that you can call, the MS Active Source phone number, and that's 1-800-456-2255. So these are resources that can help everybody. It doesn't matter if you're on any of these medications, or even if you're not on a medication. You know, this is a resource for you to find help, especially with those that are similar to you. And I just think it's an awesome website. So I really hope that everyone is enjoying the beginning of the year, even though it's only the first of the year. But I hope that you are having a wonderful day, a wonderful celebration. I hope you had a great holiday season, and I will be talking to you soon. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.